It's been incredible 6 months since we launched Boolvideo, and in this short time, we have rolled out so many exciting features that have revolutionized how content is created. With Boolvideo, you can easily turn everything into video just with a few clicks. And today, I'm also gonna show you how I use Boolvideo to create viral AI short videos like this.
Breaking news!
Coming at the same time,
I exist as I am. That is enough.
Imagine a world where every American had their own car.
Nice.
If you are a master of video editing, you'll find the best AI workflow here. If you don't have any editing experience, don't panic. It's so easy to use, with just a few clicks. If you already have a script, let's go to script to video. First, paste your script here. Choose your video ratio, then click generate. And as you can see, a full video is generated for you. In each scene, you will have video, subtitles, and realistic voiceover that are automatically made for you. And one of the cool things is that if you don't like the video, you can click on this to replace the clips with our stock videos. The most exciting thing is that our stock videos are all free to use. Also, you can edit the video with subtitles. Here, let's say we want the slide to be shorter thing. You can just simply cut this one, and that's gonna be a new scene for you. If you want to have more advanced editing, such as adding filter or changing the subtitle format, you can also click Edit in Timeline. For example, I will change the color of some subtitles to emphasize some important points. And okay, let's see what we get here.
With so much uncertainty in the world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by fear and anxiety. I want to share 4 methods really works for me. 1. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself by managing your stress levels, getting enough sleep, staying active, and eating healthy. These are important actions to take to improve your overall health and maintain mental wellness.
If you just have an idea, no worries. Video can turn your idea into a complete video. And if you think this is not good enough and you want to add a new scene, you can click here and generate a new scene with your idea too. If you want to sell anything, Boolvideo can turn your product into a video with just a product link. If you want to try GPT-4, go directly to your powerful online editor. Our video assistant will help you with all the things you want. If all you want is just have fun with AI, that's fine. Listen, here is the playground for creator. It's totally free, so you can turn your static images into live video and also get some fun by editing your images with text. Just discover it by yourself. No need to subscribe GPT-4, Midjourney, Gen 2, or any other video editing tools. All you need is just Boolvideo. So go try it today.